for Daisy.
Yeah, my question is to Daisy. I was wondering what kind of skills you learned in your graduate degree is particularly helpful in the kind of job you are doing right now as a solar energy research analyst, and also in general to renewable energy sector.
Sure. So there are a lot of skills that I had thought I've had. You guys see my bio. I have had work experience before, and I thought going into grad school was just, mostly academia, which proved true. So I'm going to give you a twofold answer. One is what I had picked up literally in grad school, and what I had gained along the way going through the experience. So the hard part of the skills is it is very literal. It was the first time ever in my life that I had to write a legitimate 50-page research paper. You see my undergrad, it is very science-based, so I did a lot of lab reports. I had no problem with those. Data sort of weave a story anyway, so in a lab report you just note trends and any observations that you've seen. But research is a little different. It is not just describing what you have found, but also piecing sources of information that you may not know exist. It is not just in a lab report where you expect to see, this is all the ingredients that you're mixing together. These are all the inputs, and these are all the expected outputs. It's not the case for research paper. It is really up to me to build what type of story and what type of facts, what kind of facts that I need to put into that piece of final work. There are a lot of procedural things that I didn't know. There are a lot of logical steps that, for someone who's maybe gone through a little bit more, I guess, non-scientific, what is the way to say it? Anyway, non-scientific maybe is the word I'm choosing anyway. That type of background may have already been exposed to, but that was not easy for me. And that kind of leads to the soft skills, the second part of the question. I became a lot more resourceful as a person, as a student, and it wasn't just I wasn't going to follow normal instructions. I was becoming a more well-rounded person in an interpersonal sense. I'm sure you guys will have some networking questions later on, but my networking skills had basically went from 0 to probably 7, 8, or maybe even 9 by this point. So I think those are the two biggest, I guess, imprints that grad school has made on me.